everyone. My name is Arliss. I'm with Pavian Partners, and we're an Acumatica VAR. I wanted to speak to you today about a product called Velixo. That is an add-on for Acumatica that makes your reporting a lot easier coming out of Acumatica into Excel. How many of you out there have ever said, you know what, this report is great. I really want it in Excel so I can manipulate the data. Or I really want it in Excel so I can do a chart or a graph. Or I really need this in Excel so I can use it to do my budgeting or my forecasting. Well, guess what? No more do you have to download a report out of Acumatica, put it into Excel, get it formatted just the way you want it, and then start your work. There's a product called Velixo, Velixo. And it is an Excel add-in just like any other Excel add-in. All you have to do is create a connection to your Acumatica instance, and then you have full capabilities to pull all of your live data into Excel and manipulate it. What I have here is I've designed a spreadsheet with just the account classes based in Acumatica, and I want to show you how easy this is. This number represents sales for this period. Now watch how easy this is to get multiple months. All I have to do is drag my formulas, everything populates, drag my values, everything refreshes and populates. Well, it would refresh and populate if I use the right formula. Everything refreshes and populates. And drag down. Do some real quick formatting. And look, I have just created a P&L across almost all the months of 2020. One more. Look, it's all of the months in 2020. And it took me no longer than a minute. I didn't have to export anything. I didn't have to do anything else. Now this is fully manipulatable. I can do any reporting. I can change the numbers. I can do any analysis in Excel I want to. How easy is that? That makes everybody's life so much easier when they're going back to do budgeting for next year, or to see how the trend across multiple months or even multiple years. Velixo also has a write back function for when you do your budgeting. So let's say you did exactly what I just did, but you add another formula that says, you know what, I want a 10% increase on sales. Do your 10% increase on sales in a formula, which is real simple. I want to add 10% to that. Ta-da. And I'm going to do it across the board. Now all you have to do is upload it back into your budget ledger, and you are good to go. Welcome to the power of Velixo. I don't want to get too deep into the different formulas and everything you can do. I just wanted to give a general overview about what is possible. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.